Now Storm Tracker 13 with the area's most powerful HD live Doppler radar.
Well, you can tell it's a Monday out there. We started out with traffic accidents this morning as well as a ton of fog, but now the fog has cleared and given way to a very beautiful day out there, National Cheeseburger Day. So how about going out and grabbing a cheeseburger, firing up one on the grill later on today with all that sunshine and those blue skies above, because live Doppler radar shows nothing in the way of any precipitation to talk about. Yes, a couple of showers working through southern portions of Ohio. That's as far as they're probably going to get today. You may see a shower or two in the mountains of West Virginia. They're not going to last too long because there's just no juice in the atmosphere. We have a giant lid over top of us, or a hat, like putting on a ball cap that holds your hair down. Well, that's sitting right over top of us right now, and that prevents the clouds from growing, which you're seeing right now a few of across portions of the airfield there at Albany, Ohio, but lots of blue skies and sunshine. Same thing over downtown Charleston, out looking towards South Charleston by Marshall University. Beautiful, beautiful conditions out that way. Temperatures right now near 80 in many locations, getting hot and a little bit of humidity. As you step out and about, we'll notice more of that with time as high pressure starts to fade. That will open the door for a bit more moisture and a little ripple in the atmosphere, like throwing a rock across the pond here. Moving just to our south as we get into Wednesday, that will touch off a shower or thunderstorm here or there. It will also add some extra clouds into the picture for the afternoon. And oh yes, Jose still sitting off the coastline. We're not worried about that here, but up in Cape Cod, different story. They could be dealing with winds over 60 miles per hour and some coastal flooding, especially with waves in the middle of Jose climbing to 30 feet, and all that water is being pushed into the coastline. So you can see the tropical storm watches and warnings right along the coast. And then Jose, well, he goes curvo and comes back to the south, and that is key to driving Maria along the coastline of the U.S. as we get towards the latter half of the work week. Right now, Maria, hurricane hunters measuring it as a major hurricane, pushing waves 30 feet into the Lesser Antilles and winds gusting upwards of 30 miles per hour, and a lot of fuel to work with out here. Water temperatures upwards of 85 degrees. So Maria likely to get even stronger with time as it pushes towards Puerto Rico. Could become a Category 4 hurricane late Tuesday into Wednesday with winds over 150 miles per hour. Now it could go east, it could go west, or it could go right down the middle, then working up towards the Dominican Republic and the Bahamas. Something that we're definitely going to keep an eye on with time, because once it gets past Puerto Rico, everyone's concerned. Is it going to go to Florida? Well, right now, models curving out to sea, and that's what we want to see. Let's cross our fingers on that, but let's hope that it doesn't directly hit Puerto Rico either, because that will be a major blow, and many of those islands still cleaning up from Irma. Around here, our weather is not compared to that down there in the tropics. Relatively quiet, really smooth sailing. A chance of a shower or storm on Wednesday. That would be our best bet for rain this week. Fall arrives on Friday with temps near 90, so we can't complain.
All right. Doesn't look good, though, for the islands.
Yeah, it doesn't look good because of Irma already coming through there, and now another major hurricane. A lot of these places have so much damage, and they just haven't recovered yet, and it's just hard to believe that, I mean, we just keep getting one after another, although we are in the peak and core of the season.
All right. Thanks, Eric.